So, guys, we are discussing about process flow here. If you take a look at the problem form or change form, you can see the process flow. If you take a look at the problem form or change form, you can see the process flow. So, if you take a look at the problem form, so this flow is called process flow, guys. The one which you are seeing here is actually called process flow. So, if I open the change form, this is the change request form. So on the change request form, you are able to see something like this one. This is called process flow. Okay. So hmm, similar to the problem process flow, similar to the change process flow. So I want to create a process flow for our shipping case. Let me just go to the tables. Let me just go to the tables. I've created a table called shipping case table. Okay. If I scroll down here, so if I click on show form, do you have any process flow on this particular shipping case form? Do we have process flow here? Guys, answer me. So we don't have process flow on the form. So how to create the process flow on the form? So we are going to learn how to create the process flow on the shipping case form. So very first thing, guys, we have to navigate to the application navigator. This is called application navigator. Just type process flow. Process flow. Okay, click on this one. So I am creating a flow formatters, guys. If you click on process flow, it will take you to flow formatters. So I am creating flow formatters based on this state choices. Remember, based on these state choices. Okay. Based on these state choices, I am going to create formatters. Remember this point, based on these state choices. I'm creating a new flow formatter here. So table name is shipping case table. So name, you can give it as new here. Label, you can give new here. Oh, sorry. Name, you can give it as new. Label, you can give it as new here. Order. Order with less number will appear first, guys. Order with less number will appear first. So here you have process flow, right? This one is new is appearing first. After that, SS is appearing. And after that, authorize is appearing. After that, schedule is appearing. So how new is appearing first? Because for new, we have given the less order number. So for this one, I have given 100, 200, 300, 400. So if I give highest order will appear in the end. So that is how I have given the order here as 100 here. So where state is new. Okay. Then I created a new flow formatter. Okay. In progress, order I am giving here as 200. So I am using insert and stay here, guys. We'll create another record. New in progress. So what are the other choices here? New in progress. On hold, resolved, closed, cancelled. On hold, resolved, closed, cancelled. Resolved. Closed. Cancelled. So if you go to the process flow, what is the table name? Shipping case, right? You can see here, this one order I am changing it to 400. This one order I am changing it to 500. So you can see for new, I have given order as 100. For in progress, I have given order as 200. For closed, it is 300. For closed, it should be 500. For on hold, it should be 300. Okay. So then we have created the flow formatters. After creating the flow formatter, what you have to do is you have to go to the form, right click, go to configure, go to form layout. Go to form layout or form design, anyone you can take. I'm just taking form layout here. So what you can do is you can take the split begin. There is a thing called a split begin. So you have to take the split begin on the top of this. Above the split begin, okay, you have to add this process flow. There is a process flow here, right? You move it to right side. You have to take it on the top. So before the begin split, you have to add it. So you can just save this one. So now you can see now the state is new, right? It is state is new is highlighting here. If I move it to in progress, if I move it to in progress, the process flow will show it as in progress. If I move it to on hold, if I move it to on hold, the process flow will be highlight as on hold as highlighted one. If I change it to resolved, the process flow resolved is highlighted here. If I change it to closed, the process flow will be highlighted as closed. If I change it to cancelled, the process flow will be highlighted here as cancelled. So you understand, right, how to create the process flow? Everyone? How to create the process flow on the form? Okay. So if you are clear with the process flow, now I am going to explain about application menus. I'm going to explain about application menus. So if you go to the application navigator, so the arrow mark ones are actually called application menus. This one is an application menu. This one is also an application menu. This one is also an application menu. So wherever you see the arrow mark ones, those are called application menus. Okay, those are called application menus. Under each application menu, you will be able to see modules. These are actually called modules. Under each application menu, you will be able to see modules here. So similar to these application menus, I am going to create an application menu here. I am going to create a new application menu here. Okay. So guys, here you answer me here. You can answer me. Um, if I have to open the form, I mean, if I have to open the shipping case form, how can I open the shipping case form? You have to tell me. You guys tell me. How can I open the shipping case form? Hmm? So we have to navigate to the table. We have to navigate to the tables. Where you have to choose the shipping case table, and you have to click on the show form. So that is how you will open the shipping case form. Okay. So that is the process, right? Okay. So as a ServiceNow developer, you are learning here what is database, what is table, how to design the form and all. So you know what is table, how to go to the table, and how to click on show form. But employees, they don't know. Employees, they don't know what is table, how to click on show form. So this is a lengthy process, right? So how employees will actually open the forms? For employees purpose, I am actually creating an application menu. For employees purpose, I'm actually creating an application menu. From the application menu, they can directly access they can directly access the table form without going to the table and clicking on show form. So see here, employees, they don't know what is table. They don't know how to click on show form by going to the table. So for them to make their life easy, I'm creating an application menu from them. From the application menu, they can directly click on application menu. They can directly navigate to the form from here without navigating to the table and click on show form. Okay. So here I'm just Here what I'm doing is I am just typing application menus here. So go to the application menus, create a new application menu. Shipping case management. Okay. So if you want to restrict this application menu access to only specific people, if you want to restrict this application menu access to specific people, so no, I want to restrict it to only admins. So that then you can restrict this application menu to only admins, guys. Okay. So here you can give the description of the application menu. Okay. So I'm creating a new module here that is actually create new. I'm creating a new module here called create new. I'm giving the order. Order with the less number will appear on the top. Okay. Create new shipping case. Okay. So here you have to select the link type as new record here. Link type as new record. What is the table name? Table name is shipping case. Okay. So new record. Link type is new record and the table name is shipping case. Okay. Just submit this one. So we have created an application menu called shipping case management. Under this application menu, I have created a module called create new. Okay. Just log out of the session. Log out of the session. Okay. Just log out of the session and log in again. Log out of the session and log in again. Okay. So you just type shipping case management. Shipping. So this is the application menu that we created. Under this application menu, we created a module called create new. So once you click on create new, it will directly open the form. You don't even have to go to the table. So like you click on create new, you just type create you under incident application menu. Under incident application menu, under incident application menu, you are when you click on create new, it is directly opening the incident form, right? Under incident application menu, once you click on create new, it is directly opening the incident form, right? So similarly, we have created an application menu called shipping case management. Okay. So once you click on create new, it is directly opening the shipping case form, right? Isn't it? It is directly opening the shipping case form, right? So instead of employees can access this application menu and they'll click on create new. They can directly open the form. They don't need to go to the table and they don't need to click on show form. they can directly open the shipping case form directly from here. Okay. So I am actually creating few other application menus here. Okay. So new shipping cases, new shipping cases, order 200. So here I am choosing list of records. Earlier I have chosen new record, and now I am choosing list of records. So list of records on shipping case table. Where state is new. The condition I have kept here. State is new. So I have created a second application when you call the new shipping cases. In progress. Okay. Create new in progress, on hold, resolved. State is cancel. The last one. Okay. Just to submit this one. So here you can see we have created an application menu called shipping case management. Create new is actually one module. Once you click on create new, it will open the shipping case form. And we have new shipping cases. It will actually open only new shipping cases. Once you click on in progress, it will actually open in progress shipping cases. Once you click on hold, the shipping cases which are in the on hold state will be open. You can see likewise resolved shipping cases, closed shipping cases, cancelled shipping cases, all shipping cases. You can see all shipping cases you can see here. All. So if you take a look at here, cancelled shipping cases, you can see state is set as cancelled here. Okay. Likewise, guys, for employees purpose, we will create an application menu. Employees will actually search for shipping case from the application navigator. So they can actually click on create new to open the shipping case form directly. So they can mark it as favorite application so that it will appear under favorites tab as well. So they can use this favorites tab to access the shipping case form and shipping case details. Okay, if they click on create new, they can open the shipping case form directly from here. So do you understand how to create the application menu? Did you understand, guys, how to create the application menu? Hmm? Okay. So this is actually for these application menus are actually for employees purpose. To make employees life easy, we'll create an application menu. So employees use these application menus to open the forms and list of records. Okay. Okay. Now I am going to tell you some developer shortcuts. Developer shortcuts. These shortcuts are useful only for developers. These application menus are for employees. Okay. So these application menus are for employees. So shortcuts. Developer shortcuts. Okay. So for developer shortcuts, first of all, you must know the table name. What is the shipping case table name? The table name is u underscore shipping underscore case. So if you open the table here, the one which you are seeing here is actually a label. This one is a label. This one is actually a name. So as a developer, you will understand what is the table name. But employees don't know what is table name. Employees can only see the label. Did you understand, guys? Employees can only see the label. Employees don't know what is this table name. So as a ServiceNow developer, you know the table name, right? So you can use this table name to open the form directly from the application navigator. In the application navigator, use table name dot form. It will open the table form directly. So guys, but employees can't access these shortcuts. Employees don't know the table name, right? So you use table name dot form. It will open the table form in a new tab. If you use incident table name here, incident dot form, it will open the incident form. If you use problem table name, problem dot form, it will open the problem form directly. If you want to open the user form, If you want to open the user form, you have to use user table name, sys_user dot form. Okay. So you can directly open the table forms using table name dot form. So table name dot small form will actually open the form in the same tab. See dot small form dot capital form. Dot small form will open the form in the same tab. Okay, if you use table name dot capital form, it will open the form in a new tab. It will open the form in a new tab. Table name dot capital form will open the form in a new tab. Small form will actually open the form in the same tab, guys. Okay. You can also do one thing. You can use table name dot do. Dot do also will open the form. Dot do also will open the form. Table name dot list will actually open the list of the records in the same tab. Dot capital list. Dot capital list will open the list of the records in a new tab. Dot capital list will open the list of records in a new tab. So here, guys, please turn off the videos. Dot form will open the new form in the same tab. Dot capital form new tab. Okay. Dot list will open the new list. Dot list will actually open the list in the same tab. Okay. Dot list will open the list in the new tab. Okay. Capitalized. If you use table name u underscore shipping underscore case dot filter. So guys, remember this point. This is important one. In the shipping case table, there are actually 1 crore records. The shipping case table, consider there are 1 crore records. Okay. In the shipping case table, there are 1 crore records. So when you open the shipping cases, it will take some time to open the 1 crore records. See, here normally you can see how many shipping case records are here. 7 records are there. So consider in the shipping case table, there are 1 crore records. 1 crore records are there. So to load this 1 crore records, it will take some time. To load this 1 crore records, it will take some time. Instead of that, what you can do is you can use table name. You can use table name dot filter. So it will not load the record. It will just open the filter. Okay. It will not load the record. It will just open the filter. So you can search it. Okay. where state is new. So you can get it easily, guys. Instead of loading 1 crore records, you are just opening the filter. That's it. You got my point, everyone? You got my point or not? So if you want to open the filter in a new tab, use table name dot capital filter. It will open the filter in a new tab. It will open the filter in a new tab. Okay. So you can see earlier we have opened the filter in the same tab. Now I have opened the filter in a new tab. So likewise, guys, you can open the forms, lists, and filters. Table name dot filter. Open the filter in the same tab. In the new tab. Okay. You guys are clear, right? Okay. So similarly, we have configurations. Okay. So it will open the configurations in the same tab. So if you use table name.config, it will open the configurations in the same tab. If you use capital config, it will open the configurations in a new tab. So table name, u underscore shipping case dot config. So it will open all the configurations related to this particular table. Configurations in the sense we created fields, we created views also, right? Those we can see it in the under configurations. So we can see we have 38 fields on this form. We have created, where are the views? Now views created. Huh? Okay. So views are there, but those are not appearing under configuration. If you want to see the configurations of the table in a new form, okay. So we are able to open the configurations in a new tab, guys. Okay. Guys, here, right? As I told you, when you open the form, if the system ID is -1, if the system ID is -1, what do you mean by system ID is -1 here? What do you mean by system ID is -1? It's a new record. It's a new record. Okay. You can see here, I am just opening a new URL. So this is called base URL, guys. This is called base URL. So this is called base URL. After the base URL, whatever you see here, this is called base URL. After the base URL, whatever you see, this one. After the base URL, you are seeing this one, right? These are called URL arguments. These are called URL arguments. So here what I am doing is, after the base URL, I am passing table name u underscore shipping case dot do system ID is equal to -1. So here from the URL, if you pass this line, it will directly open the shipping case form. Okay. Instead of this shipping case, u underscore shipping case, if you use incident, it will open the incident form. In place of incident, if you use problem here, it will open problem form. So from the URL also, you can directly open the forms. As a developer, you will understand. If you use user table name, sys underscore user dot do system ID is equal to -1 means it will open the user form. Okay. You're getting my point? Everyone. So from the URL also, I am able to open the form. Okay. So here, right, from the URL, we are able to open the form. I am just opening the shipping case form, u underscore shipping underscore case dot do. So we are able to open the shipping case form here. Okay. I want to open the shipping case list from the URL. So then what you will do is, you will use table name. After table name, you have to use underscore list dot do. It will open list of shipping case records. So let me just show you. From the URL, okay, from the URL, after if you pass table name underscore list dot do as a parameter, it will open list of that particular table records. It will open list of the table records. Table name dot do question mark system ID is equal to -1. It will open the form. So in place of this table name, if you use incident dot do, it will open the incident form. In place of this table name, if you use incident underscore list dot do, it will open incident list of records. You're getting my point, guys? Everyone. Hmm? Okay. So now here, guys, I am going to the application menu that we created, shipping case management. If you go to the shipping case management application menu, okay. So here you can see, going to the create new module here. Create new module here. Here link type I am choosing now here as URL arguments. URL from arguments. What I am doing is, I am just passing this one as an argument. This argument I am passing in the URL. To the base URL, I am passing this argument. Okay. So I haven't selected link type as new record here. I've just used URL arguments. So even though, so once you click on create new, it will open the shipping case form. So earlier we have chosen link type as new record. Now we have chosen link type as URL arguments. I have passed this URL argument. I have passed this argument. Clear, right? Everyone. Okay. Okay. Fine. So if you go to the application menu that we created, so this is the application menu that we created. So in the application menu, we have created a module called create new. So in the create new, earlier we selected link type as new record. So let me just open this one. So earlier we selected link type as new record. Okay. So in place of new record, what I have done is now I have selected URL from arguments. I have passed the URL arguments from here. Okay. So system ID is -1 for same for all the tables, guys. System ID is -1 for -1 is same for all the tables for new records. So you can see here, I am actually opening the incident form. Incident dot do system ID is equal to -1. So -1 is common for every table. Okay. So you guys are able to understand how to create the process flow, how to create the application menus, and after creating the application menus, how to access the shortcuts. So you guys are able to understand about the shortcuts now, right? Everyone? I'm just unmuting everyone. You guys can ask your questions now.
Yeah, Uday, small doubt, Uday. I mean, while starting the session, you have explained about the status of the incident where we are showing the colors, right, on the top of the screen.
Hmm.
Yes, and later we are assigned to the, I mean, application we are able to see in the tools. I mean, in the all the tab, we are able to see those things.
Hmm.
Yeah, is there any, I mean, there is no any sequences required, right? First of all, we need to do application creation and then we need to apply the colors. Like that, we don't have any condition, right?
No, we don't have any condition.
Okay, and one small doubt over there. Yesterday, while observing you, we are able to see the, I mean, label names here, right? Suppose as per the user, contact type is there.
Hmm.
But for the developer, we have the U underscore contact type is there. How can we see those details here? Uday? Is there any shortcut for that one?
This one,
Yes, yes.
okay. So here you can open a new tab here. Just
Okay,
type SN utils for Chrome, SN utils for Chrome in your browser. Make
okay,
sure you are actually in the latest version of the Google Chrome.
okay,
Okay, don't use older version, older Google Chrome. Okay,
okay,
use the latest Google Chrome version. So you will find a result here, SN Utils tool for ServiceNow.
okay,
You can open this one. You can see add Chrome option, add to Chrome option. So as
okay.
I have already added, I'm able to see remove from Chrome option. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Why? Because development will be easy, right? If we
Yeah,
are
it will save a
moving
lot
to
of
the.
time. It will save almost 2 to 3 hours time in a day.
Okay, okay. And another small doubt today. Here we have implemented the like parent-child relation, right? If we are based on the assignment group, assigned to details are populated.
Yes.
Yeah. After saving, like that, it is not populated. We need to do any changes today. Suppose I am selected the assignment group
Mhm.
and saving the data here. And select the assigned to also.
Hmm.
Yeah, save this record once. I mean, what I have observed that one. Yeah,
Hmm.
now I am open the record is open in the edit format, right? Update format. I
Hmm.
am changing the assignment group here.
Hmm. If you change the assignment group, what should we do is we have to select a user. We have to select a person here who is member of this particular group.
Yes, yes, yes,
Okay. So DevOps admin team. You should select a person from the DevOps admin team. Okay.
yes, yes.
If you don't select a person who is not from this particular group, it will not allow you to save this one.
I didn't understood this point. Today, previously we have selected while saving previous assignment group is we have selected different one.
So Chief Minister's one.
Yes. Now
Okay.
I am selecting the another user like development tools are like that.
Okay. You selected this one, right? It will allow you to save this one. Okay.
Yes. Now change the assignment group.
Okay. If you change the assignment group to someone else here, Power
Okay.
BI
Now if
development
I
team.
am saving, I didn't try this one. That record is need to clear, right? I mean, for the assignment,
Value,
assignment.
assigned to value should be cleared.
Yes.
It will not allow you to save this one because assigned to user must be member of the assignment group Power BI level 3 team.
Okay.
This guy is not the member of the group, right?
Okay.
So it is stopping you to save the record.
Okay. Actually, this one I didn't try to. It's correct. But what I am thinking is assignment is group is this one and the previous data only it's stay there. Now I got the, I mean, understanding, Uday.
Hmm.
Yeah. Thank you, Uday.
Yeah. So rest of the guys, you guys are able to understand the concept, right?
Yeah, hi Uday.
Yeah.
One thing, like in this doubt, in this scenario, no, like when we change the team, no, it should get automatically like assigned to should be automatically blank, right? So that it
Yeah.
will be we can
That
assign it properly.
that logic we have to write it. So that we can do it
Okay,
whenever we will learn how to
okay,
change that, how to clear the assigned to field value whenever we change the assignment group.
okay, okay.
That
No
logic we
problem.
have to write. That logic is already not there in the
Oh,
form.
okay, okay.
Yeah, your point is right, valid.
Yeah, okay. The one more doubt. Like you are giving priority, right? Like your numbers 100, 200, and 300.
Hmm.
Like that can be 1 to 3 also, right? So why it is
It can be
like
1 to 3
general?
also.
Oh,
It
no,
can be 1
okay.
to 3, 4 also. Why am I
Which is
taking 100, 200, 300 is that later if new choice is introduced between these two, these choices.
okay, okay.
So then you have to reorder everything, right?
Oh, yes, yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, something like that.
So, okay.
So if a new choice is introduced in between, what I can do, I can give the number that is between 100 and 200, right? I can give
Okay.
150, right? Instead of
Yes,
reordering
yes.
it.
Yeah, yeah, correct. Okay.
So that is why we will use 100, 200. At least we will maintain 10 gap.
Yeah, yeah, okay.
It is best practice to maintain 100 gap.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay, guys, then happy Sri Ram and we'll see you there in tomorrow session. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Thank you all. See you there in tomorrow session.